What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be explaining about autopilot in Airbus 320. The autopilot sends digital signal to the flight control, which in turn move the flight control surfaces. The autopilot doesn't move the passive side stick in the Airbus 320, so there's no direct feedback for the pilots on their control input devices. The pilot have the option to deflect the controls to immediately disengage the autopilot, but it usually requires some brake away force and disengagement isn't soft. To engage the autopilot, select the desired modes with autopilot flight system control panel. Confirm the selection on the flight mode negotiator or FMA. Push the autopilot 1 or 2 button. It turns green when the autopilot is engaged. Release the side stick to engage the autopilot correctly with this red button. Auto thrust in Airbus 320 have auto thrust systems which compute the thrust command for the engines. The thrust levers in the cockpit don't move automatically and the pilot can move them manually to override the system. To use the auto thrust, push the auto thrust to arm the system. The button turns green when the thrust is armed. Pull the vertical speed knob to force the auto thrust system to speed mode. For example, we just select the speed to 0, so the speed is going to be 0. To turn off the auto thrust, move the thrust lever to idle or 0, or push the button to throw on the thrust levers within 15 seconds. For the flight management system of Fenix, for route planning and long-term conflict navigation function, the aircraft is equipped with the flight management system and stores the flight plan and program performance values and computes the most flight profile. Regardless if you're flying Airbus 320 family aircraft, the autopilot panel and the auto flight system control panel looks very similar, with small variation that have been introduced with the newer generation of aircraft. Each with a knob and the digital display associated with speed, heading and lateral navigation, altitude, vertical navigation, and vertical speed. So here's the trick. Push and pull knobs and buttons. Knobs can also be pushed in or pulled out, giving a control to the flight management system in the manage mode by pushing it, or setting manual control by pulling knob toward the pilots. The knob can be pushed in or pulled out, giving a control to the flight management system in the manage mode by manage mode pushing it, and the selected mode by pulling it. In the center, you can find a button to adjust the pilot 1 and 2, and the auto thrust system circular push button allow pilots to exchange between different presentation modes of similar values. You can switch from the airspeed to a Mach number by clicking this speed Mach. There's a flight director's button. Our A380 has a single button toggle that set of both director, and in this aircraft, on the aircraft Airbus 320, there are two flight director buttons located in electronic flight instrument design control panel for each pilot. To turn on the flight directors in Airbus A320, you need to reach over and press the FD button. On the other side palette, we'll see the same flight director at the same time. With the flight directors on, per default, the flight directors are almost always turned on for you. You can toggle the flight directors with the FD button in the FS control panel or electronic flight instrument system. To set the airspeed, the selected airspeed is used by the auto thrust to control thrust in the speed mode and by the autopilot to pitch for the target speed when the auto thrust is not holding the speed. Pull the airspeed knob to activate the selected airspeed mode. Rotate the airspeed knob to set the target airspeed. For example, when I fly with the speed of 310. The aircraft is going to have 300 knots. The next is set the heading mode. We can instruct the autopilot to fly specific heading. The autopilot will then turn left or right to fly the selected compass heading. Pull the heading knob to activate heading mode. This is heading mode on the family of this heading. The heading mode, and if you are go back to the acceleration and then pressing it, let's go. I'll be going to minus mode. To set the vertical speed mode, use the vertical speed mode allows us to set the climb and descent right directly. The autopilot will target the vertical speed and then level off at the pre-selected altitude. Once it comes near it, rotate the altitude node to set a new target altitude to capture and pull the vertical speed knob to activate the vertical speed mode. With autopilot and auto thrust on when we are satisfied with the flight director guidance and the modes displayed in the flight mode initiator or the box here called FMA, we can turn on the autopilot and auto thrust system. Have to limit first airspeed above the stall speed and below maximum speed. Check you are not currently flying too fast for the flap setting you have. Flight control inputs, natural, and aircraft trim. Aircraft in the air at least 100 feet above the ground after takeoff or 400 feet prior to landing. Seperti our personality. Push the IP1 button to adjust the valve or IBG, and push the auto thrust button to arm the auto thrust or automatically on. If we move the thrust lever to the toggle or flex option, that's the way to the auto thrust. And for the climb and descent without the pilot and thrust engines, we can perform a climb maneuver descent to new target altitude with using open climb and open descent. Rotate the altitude knob to set the target altitude. For example, we are flying to altitude flight level 260. Pull down the knob to command a flight level change. The open climb or open descent mode engages, and the autopilot now picks up or down to hold the target airspeed value. The auto thrust system commands climb thrust during open climb and idle thrust during the open descent while losing the upper weekend. There's the blue dot here, the next one. If you are flying manually at this point, be careful, you need to use a pitch control to manage airspeed. The thrust system is not holding the airspeed for you in this mode. Use vertical speed mode if you want your thrust to maintain speed for you. Follow the lateral road or LNAV. The autopilot can follow the road all the way to the destination runway threshold. You have to program a route using the MCDU, the cockpit. Use the MCDU. And steer the aircraft onto the intercept course with the route on the navigation display. Push the heading knob to the arm navigation mode to the manage mode, and then the aircraft will fly to the desired track. To follow the vertical routes or VNAV, when we have a route program, we can tell the pilot to fly the vertical profile of the route for us as well. To climb to cruise altitude or descend for a cruise with nav engaged, rotate the altitude knob, push set or target altitude, push the altitude knob to engage the climb or descent mode. What is managed versus selected? The auto flight system AFS in Airbus offers a way for pilots to choose between the highly automatic mode, automatically managed by the flight management and guidance systems, and manually selected by the pilot. There's a selected mode. To take manual control, the pilot can pull the knobs for airspeed, heading, altitude, and vertical speed. The current airspeed, heading, vertical speed is then put into the digital display, and the pilot can rotate the knobs to change the selected values, and the autopilot will immediately fly towards the new target value in the selected mode. For the manage mode, shows the color of margin type. When a route has been programmed, then the pilot can tell the auto flight system to use the route values by pushing the knobs in. Pushing the airspeed knob in will select a managed airspeed, which is automatically adjusted based on the economy factor, such as aircraft weight, fuel burn, flight duration, as well as constraint on the gross departure arrival. We're going back to management. Pushing the vertical speed knob doesn't activate a manage mode and just command a level of in Airbus 320. This feature has been removed in newer Airbus like 350 or A320. For the selected mode, selected speed at any time in the flight, pilot can use manually selected airspeed. This airspeed is then used to adjust the climb or descent airspeed, or to change the target airspeed for the auto thrust system. Pull the airspeed knob to select it, and rotate the airspeed knob to set the speed when I go to. And there's also the flight path angle, or we call the FPA. Yeah, this is the FPA, flight path angle. Oops, we're going back to our forever for you. So, in FPA, or we call the flight path angle mode, the pilot flies the selected climb or descent angle relative to the ground. This is very useful for segment, for example, a 3 degrees descent. On the final cruise, the pilot compensates for the wind effect Rotate the altitude knob to set a target altitude. Pull the vertical speed knob to inject the CS mode. Push the heading track. FEA push button. This engages the VA mode. Rotate the vertical speed knob to adjust the target angle relative to the ground. For the open climb and open descent are used to climb or descend to new altitude. The pilot will pitch for the target airspeed. Auto thrust commands either climb thrust or idle thrust. Rotate the altitude knob to set a target altitude. Pull on the altitude knob to activate the open climb or open descent mode. For approach modes, there's a ILS equalizer only. During the ILS approach, you may receive the clearance to intercept the localizer of the runway, but are not yet given full approach clearance. This is when the localizer mode can be used. This mode requires you to have an ILS localizer. This button. This localizer button. And the localizer button will be shown in blue in the flight mode initiator until the localizer moves off the full scale deflection towards the center. And for ILS or SMRLD system Cat 3 auto lane, where the localizer and glass slop modes are both engaged and the runway is usable for automatic landing, then you can let the autopilot land itself the aircraft for you in an auto lane. Capture the ILS localizer glass stop shown on the FMA flat mode initiator, and at the 10 feet above the ground when a retard rollout is made, pull the reverse to idle. To descend the autopilot with the take red button on the side stick when the landing is finished or when you want to vacate the runway. It's all about the autopilot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave the comment below if you have any question. Thank you.